Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can punch in Madden 27. So it's actually very easy. As you can see on the right hand side, we have the small pop-up. Here we gotta select whether we wanna go for sky kick, normal or backspin. So for sky kick, we need to press triangle on PlayStation and Y on Xbox. Next, simply using your left analog stick, you gotta select where you would like to punt the ball. And simply you have to hold X on Xbox or A on PlayStation and try to middle it so that you can go for the perfect one. Okay, we're gonna try it one more time. This time let's say we go for normal. So for that we gotta press R1 on PlayStation and RB on Xbox. And as I said, for the better accuracy we gotta middle this and simply hold down and also try to go with the better power. As you can see, now this time we'll go with backspin. So for that simply press L1 or LB and just simply middle it and go with the better power. And as you can see, this is exactly how able to punch in Madden 27. Hope this would help out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.